Hey everyone, today I'm sitting on the Nolah Evolution Hybrid Mattress. This has a really comfy, cushy feel that's ideal for side sleepers. So let's take a look. You can order the Nolah Evolution directly from the Nolah website. Delivery is going to take about 5 business days and it'll arrive directly to your doorstep in a box. So there's no waiting for any delivery man to come and there's no scheduling a set delivery time. When it arrives at your door, you're going to need 2 people to bring it into your bedroom. So it is a bit heavy, so just make sure you have a couple people. Once you get it in your room, you basically just cut it open and it's going to spring to life. This mattress only took about 15 minutes to really fully inflate, and it's pretty much ready to sleep on. And what I really appreciate about it is that there's not that much off-gassing. In fact, I was surprised how little off-gassing there really was. So if you want, you could even sleep on it that night, although I would let it air out for a few hours before sleeping on it. The Nolah Evolution is a 15-inch mattress, so breaking down the layers, you get this Euro top, which is very unusual in mattresses in a box. It's not very common to find this thick of a quilted cover. Now the cover itself, the actual cloth material is cool to the touch, so there is some phase change in there where it's going to help draw away heat. And inside that quilted top is what they call Arctic Tex foam. It's a patented type of foam that is cool as well, and it'll also draw away heat. And then inside here you have 2 inches of graphite latex, and graphite is also known for having cooling properties. And you'll see that there's a gusset around the side here that's going to allow for more breathability out through the sides. Finally, you get to the spring system. This is a tri-zone spring system, which means that there's 3 different zones for maximum support. Because this is designed to be a softer mattress, it's important that the springs are tuned correctly so that you're not hammocking in the mattress and that your hips are supported correctly so that you even out across it. And then finally, beneath that, you have another layer of foam just to keep those coils supported and to maximize the lifespan of them. And then additionally, along the perimeter of the mattress, you have some high density foam as well. And that's just going to provide good edge support. When you're designing a soft mattress, if you do it cheap, you're not going to have that edge support, and then you're going to be prone to feeling like you're going to roll off the mattress. Having that edge support means you can maximize the use of the mattress and go right up to the edge and sleep on it. So how does the Nolah Evolution feel? Well, the first thing you're going to notice, even right from opening it up out of the box, is that when you lay on it, you're going to get an immediate cooling sensation. And chances are you probably worked up a little sweat opening this thing, getting it unboxed, and it's just kind of a nice relief to lay on this thing and know that it's really just going to help cool you off while you sleep. Next thing I noticed is that it really does cradle you. So, you know, I've slept on hundreds of mattresses. Some will say they have a pillow top feel, but they don't quite get there. This one, you really do sink into it right away. And so you get that nice, really soft cradling feeling, ultimate pressure relief. It's just perfect for side sleeping. And so, you know, side sleepers are obviously going to love this mattress. If you're a back sleeper, it's going to be great as well. Stomach sleepers, I would stay away from it. It is advertised for combo sleepers, but if you tend to sleep on your stomach most of the time or even half the time, I would probably steer you towards one of the other Nolah products. This one is just too soft for stomach sleeping. Now, in terms of motion transfer, that is a concern because the more plush you make a mattress, especially a spring mattress, the more prone it may be to motion transfer. But they are using a premium coil system. They're pocketed coils. So motion transfer is going to be towards a minimum here. And just keep in mind, too, that you're going to be very comfortable. You know, you're going to get great pressure relief. So there's really not going to be any reason for you to move around a lot at night unless you need to get up at night and, you know, go to the bathroom or get water, whatever that is. In terms of sleeping hot, we talked about that heat being drawn away, so there's really no issues there. So all in all, I think this really ticks all the boxes for side sleepers. The Nolah Evolution retails for about $2,300 in a queen size. But if you head over to sleeptrooper.com, we have some discount codes that's going to make that substantially less. So make sure to check those out before you buy. It also comes with a 120-night trial. That means you can have it in your house for about 4 months, sleep on it, make sure it's really right for you. And if for any reason you're not happy with it, it's a free return, so you're not out any money in that regard. Now, should you decide to keep it, it does come with a forever warranty. So what that means is it's basically a lifetime warranty. As long as you own this mattress, they will warrant against any manufacturer defects and things like that. So you're covered for the lifetime of the product, and you're really not taking any risk by trying it out in your house. And that's really what led to the boom of all these online mattresses. So they really took out all the risk here. So here's my final thoughts on the Nolah Evolution. They've put a lot of thought and a lot of quality materials into this mattress. So, it is retailing for about $2,300 in a queen size. Like I said, there's substantial discounts that's going to bring that well under $2,000. And so, yes, that is a little bit higher than some of the hybrids on the market today. But just keep in mind, if you've tried some of those other hybrids and you're pretty underwhelmed about what's out there, and maybe you think, I'm just done with these online brands, I definitely urge you to give the Nolah Evolution a try. It really is head and shoulders above some of those other hybrids out there. Yes, you pay a little bit of a premium, but in my opinion, it's definitely worth it. So head on over to sleeptrooper.com where you can get the full review and the latest discounts.